The Greek debt crisis continued to dominate financial news overnight. You see, the Greeks were expected to bring a proposal regarding the forgiveness of some of their mountain of debt to the European finance ministers' meeting in Brussels overnight. However, they missed the deadline. The finance ministers endeavoured to reassure markets by putting out a statement that the Greeks were making tangible progress, and this seems to have had a calming effect. The euro strengthened against most currencies overnight, including the Kiwi and US dollar. Looking at the Kiwi also strengthened overnight, breaking through the 81-cent US mark, but was down slightly against the Aussie. Looking at equity markets, the Kiwi market continued its impressive rally, stretching gains to the fifth straight day. The ASX continued to be in no man's land, again trading slightly down. The Dow was down slightly, but European markets also responded well to the finance ministers by being up slightly. So, how's the new year been treating the lamb market? Well, lamb schedule prices are very high, particularly for this time of year. The issue, however, is not one of overwhelming offshore demand. In fact, with the euro at all-time lows against the Kiwi, European demand in particular has been quite muted. In fact, the driver is supply side. With unseasonable rain across a large proportion of the country, there's been plenty of grass, and farmers have been holding on to their stock, hoping to put a few more kilos on them before sending them to the works. Of course, at some point, all that stock has got to end up at the market, and that's likely to have a very strong downward effect on schedule prices. This is likely to be also exacerbated by the fact that processors will be looking to recoup some of the margins which they've lost over the last couple of months.